In this video, we will show the best badminton rackets available to buy. At number 10. Feroc Badminton Racket Set. It is the ideal for junior, age group above 4 years, playing level practice for beginners and not for professional play. It is durable product too. At number 9. Neulife Badminton Racket with 3 Shuttlecock. It comes with 2% badminton rackets with 3% shuttlecock with cover. It is very good for beginners for playing badminton. At number 8. SUNLEY Phantom Set of 2-piece badminton racket. This is a phantom set of 2-piece badminton racket, with 6-piece nylon shuttle. Durable product. Racket comes with good grip. At number 7. Li-Ning Aluminum Badminton Racket. It is the perfect for beginners and intermediate players of badminton. It features an aluminum frame, making it lightweight and convenient to play with. At number 6. ILARTE Badminton Racket Kit Bag Cover Case. Whether you are amateur racket enthusiasts, or professional players, all suitable for this badminton racket cover case. It has 2 large compartments and 2 other pockets. At number 5. APACS Badminton Racket. It is made for offensive player, and give you sharper and powerful smashes and at the same time let you enjoy the precise drop shot and netting play. At number 4. SUNLEY Swag Body Badminton Racket Set. It is the Swag Body Badminton Racket. Set of 2 with 3 pieces nylon shuttles, comes with an attractive cover. At number 3. Yonex Nanoray Badminton Racket. The square-shaped isometric frame shape is designed to keep vertical strings at a similar length, as well as the horizontal strings to produce an expanded sweet spot in all directions. At number 2. Silver's Gutted Badminton Rackets. It is a practice series badminton set with 2 badminton rackets, beautiful color combinations in full cover with one side transparent PVC. At number 1. Yonex GR303 Badminton Racket. It makes for a great equipment to use while playing badminton. It is light in weight and can be used to swing with great accuracy and control.